Today we're showing you a 2017 Kubota BX2680 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a LA 344 quick attach front loader. Also has the 60-inch belly mower, the drive-over belly mower that goes with it. Also has a skid steer hookup here for your bucket connection. It's a nice option there. The front grill guard on it. Tractor only has 125 hours. You have a little bit of damage here in the fender. Looks like there's some paint off and a little bit of a dent in the fender there. It does have the turf tires. Also has the hydrostatic transmission, high-low range, four-wheel drive levers all here to the right. Has a 3-point hitch and 540 PTO in the back here, so you can run a tiller, a brush hog, a blade, anything to that nature. Looks like we're missing a pin here on the ramp there. That will be replaced there before the tractor leaves. The tractor also has to pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you're looking for a slick little do-it-all tractor, this is a great tractor to mow your yard and also do your landscaping, all that type of thing, anything to that nature. We do take trades. We also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us on the web at masttractor.com or give us a call at 330-359-5405.